Alright you guys, I'm going to the store to buy the Bird of Paradise brush holder. Now I'm going to the Navy Exchange to buy the Bird of Paradise brush holder.
So, young man, what kind of item would you get?
I would like to get the Bird of Paradise brush holder because I need to brush my teeth.
Sure. Do you have it?
Yes, I have it here.
Alright then. Now I'm going to scan, and you can have it for your bathroom.
I need to pay my money.
There you go. You paid $1. Now, here's your change. And have a nice day.
I need to go upstairs. Yes, this was the best. Phew, that was close. Holy shit, it's my parents.
Junior, how dare you buy the Bird of Paradise brush holder without permission and using spending $1? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room now.